Hi there, hope you have a great day today. This lesson, I'm going to teach you how to work out whether a number that is divisible by another number. And at the end of the lesson, you will have a few questions to practice. So let's go straight into it. If a number that is divisible by 8, the last 3 digits must be divisible by 8. So let's try this one whether it is divisible by 8 or not. So we need to work out the last 3 digits. So we just go 7, 6, 8 divided by 8. Now 8 go to 7 cannot. So 8 go to 76 is 9 times. Because 9 times 8 is 72. So therefore the remainder is 4. So that is 48. And 48 divided by 8 is 6 because 6 times 8 is 48. So therefore it is divisible by 8. Next one. 1086. Now it is divisible by 8. Well, let's work it out. Okay, so the last 3 digits must be divisible by 8. So the last 3 digits is here. So that is 86 because 086 is 86. So 86 and 86 is not divisible by 8. So therefore this number is not divisible by 8. 2856. Is this divisible by 8? Can you please pause the video and try this one, see if you can? Right, let's check it out, see if this one is divisible by 8, okay? So the last 3 digits are 856. So we just go 856 divided by 8. And 8 go to 8 is ones. And 8 doesn't go to 5, so the remainder is 5. So it becomes 56. So 8 go to 56 is 7 times because 7 times 8 is 56. So there is no remainder. So therefore, this is divisible by 8. Please pause the video. Try this one yourself. How did you go? So let's check it out, okay? So remember, the last 3 digits must be divisible by 8. So we have 356 divided by 8. And 8 go to 35 is 4 times. Because 4 times 8 is 32. And the remainder is 3 times. Because 32, 33, 34, 35, right? And 8 go to 36 is 4 times again. And the remainder is 4. So therefore this is not divisible by 8. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Okay, let's see if you got it correct. So the first 3 digits are this. So 5, 5, 8. And we divide by 8. So 8 go to 55 is 6 times. And 6 times 8 is 48. Then we go 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, and 54, 55. So the remainder is 7. So we write 7 here. That becomes 78. And 8 go to 78 is 9 times. Because 9 times 8 is 72. So therefore the remainder is 6. So therefore this number here is not divisible by 8. Now if a number that is divisible by 9, all the digits of the number add together must be divisible by 9. So let's, for example, first one. So we have 288. So 2 plus 8 is 10. And 10 plus 8 is 18. So 18 is divisible by 9. So therefore this number is divisible by 9. Next one. 7,985. So to work out whether this number is divisible by 9 or not, we just add those digits together. So go 7 plus 9 and plus 8 plus 5. Now 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. And 20 plus 9 is 29. And 29 is not divisible by 9. So therefore, this number here is not divisible by 9. Okay? 2,871. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Right, is this divisible by 9? Well, let's check it out. So we have 2 plus 8 is 10. And 10 plus 8 is 18. And 18 is divisible by 9. So therefore, this number 2,871 is divisible by 9. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Alright, let's see if it is divisible by 9 or not. So we add this together. 5 plus 2 is 7. And this is 10. And this is 7. We add them together, okay? So that becomes 17, 24. Now 24 is not multiple of 9. So therefore 52,467 is not divisible by 9. Now, if a number that is divisible by 10, the last digit must end with 0. As simple as that. So for example, 2,880. So it is divisible by 10 because the last digit is 0. So it's divisible by 10. Next one. And it is divisible by 10 because the last digit is 0. So it is divisible by 10. Now, please pause the video and try this to yourself. Right, let's see if you got it correct, okay? So the first one is divisible by 10 because it's end with 0. And this number here is not divisible by 10 because the last digit is 2. Remember, in order to divisible by 10, the last digits must be 0, okay? What about this one here? Is it divisible by 10? You are correct. So it's not divisible by 10 because the last digit in this case is 5. So we need to be 0 in order to divisible by 10. Now for a number that is divisible by 11, we need to add all the odd digits together and we add the even digit together and we minus it if it is multiple of 11 or 0, then it's divisible by 11. You will know what I mean when I go through a few examples. Let's say first one, okay? So the odd digits is this one and this one, okay? The odd position, if you like. So we go 4 plus 1 is 5. I'll just write this down for you first, okay? Is 5. And then we add the even digit. So that is 0 plus 5, which is 5. I'll write this down. 0 plus 5 is 5. Now, the difference of these two is 0 because 5 minus 5 is 0. So, therefore, it is divisible by 11. There you go. It's divisible by 11. Next one. So, same rule apply. So, 7 and 3. These are odd. Okay? Odd position, if you like. So, 7 plus, right here. 7 plus 3 is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. And the difference is 0. So therefore it is divisible by 11. Next one. Please pause the video and try it yourself. Right. Let's see if you got it correct. So we add all the odd digits together and the even digit together, okay? So 1 plus 8 and plus 6. So that give me 15. And then the even one is this. So remember even position, okay? Not the even digits, all right? Just keep that in mind for me. Then that become 4. So the difference is 11, see? So we go 15 minus 4 is 11. So it is divisible by 11 because 11 is divisible by 11. So therefore, this number here is divisible by 11. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Right, let's see if you got it correct. So we have 7, 7, 5. So 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. Then we add these two together. So 8 plus 6 is 14. And the difference is 5. So it's not divisible by 11 because 5 is not divisible by 11. So therefore this number here is not divisible by 11. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Right, let's see if you got it correct. So we have 2 plus 8 is 10. And then we add 6, which is 16. Then we need to add 4 and 9 and 4. So which is 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. So 4 plus 9 plus 4 is 17. And the difference is 1. Or you can use 16 minus 17 is negative 1. Or the difference is 1 if you like. And it's not divisible by 11 because 1 is not divisible by 11. So therefore, this number here is not divisible by 11. So for a number that divisible by 12, so the number must be even and divisible by 6. Or you can work out by the number must be divisible by 4 and 3. Okay? So let's go through one example. We have 588. To work out whether it is divisible by 12 or not. So first thing is even. Then we need to work out whether it's divisible by 6. So therefore, we work out 6 is multiple of 3, right? So therefore, we just add this number together to work out whether it is divisible by 3 or not. 5 plus 8 plus 8. So 8 plus 8 is 16. Add 5 is 21. So it is divisible by 3. So therefore, this number is divisible by 12. Okay, so we can just check it. So if you like, 588 divided by 12. There you go, right? Next one, 1175. Is this divisible by 12? That's right, it's not divisible by 12. So first thing is have to be even number, okay? And then you work out further, right? So this one not even divisible by 2. So therefore, it's not divisible by 12, okay? Now, please pause the video and try this one yourself. Right, let's work out whether you got it correct or not, okay? So first of all, it is even number, so it divides by 2. So now what we need to do is we'll work out the number that is divisible by 3 or not, okay? So you got 4 plus 3 is 7, and then we add 8, which is 15, and add 0, still 15 anyway. So therefore, it is divisible by 12 because 15 is divisible by 3. We can even check it ourselves. So we go 4380 divided by 12. See, there you go. It's divisible by 12. Now, it is divisible by 12. That's right. It is not divisible by 12 because it's odd number. It's not even divisible by 2. So therefore, this number is not divisible by 12. I will leave this question for you to do it yourself. Of course, you can download or print out this worksheet on the description below. And don't forget to leave a comment how you like the videos or if you have any questions regarding to the worksheet. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.